What is sprint in Scrum? A sprint in Scrum is a fixed length time boxed period during which a Scrum team works to complete a set amount of work. It is one of the fundamental concepts in the Scrum framework, promoting a regular, iterative approach to product development. Let's talk about the key aspects of the sprint. The first thing that we'd like to talk about is the duration. The duration is a time boxed. First, sprints typically last between 1 and 4 weeks, with 2 weeks being a common duration. The duration is consistent throughout the project to establish a predictable rhythm. Number two, we want to talk about the activities in a sprint because I guess it's a quite important. Uh, Delete this one here and let's just make it with numbers. The first thing that we have is sprint planning. At the beginning of each sprint, the Scrum team holds a sprint planning meeting to determine the work to be done during the sprint. This involves selecting items from the product backlog and defining the sprint goal. Number two, daily stand ups, so also known as daily scrums. They are short daily meetings, usually 15 minutes, where team members share what they did in the previous day, what they are, and also what they are planned to do today, and um, any problems or any issues they are facing. Number three, sprint execution. The development team works on completing the tasks in the sprint backlog, aiming to deliver a potentially shippable code, a shippable product increment by the end of the Scrum sprint. Number four, we have a sprint review. So at the end of the sprint, the team holds a sprint review meeting to demonstrate the completed work to stakeholders and discuss what was accomplished versus what was planned. Number five, sprint retrospective. So, following the sprint review, the team conducts a retrospective to reflect on the sprint and identify areas for improvement. The goal is to enhance processes and performance in the future sprint. Okay, so let's talk about the goals of the sprint. And the first thing it will be deliver increment. So the primary goal of each sprint is to produce a potentially shippable product increment that meets the definition of done. Number two, adaptability. So by working in short iteration, the team can frequently adjust the chances in requirements and feedback, ensuring the product evolves in agilement with user needs and market conditions. And number three, continuous improvement. So um, the regular sprints, coupled with retrospectives, fosters a culture of continuous improvement within the team. Let's talk about the benefits of the sprints. The first thing it will be predictability. It's all about predictability. Time boxed sprint help create a predictable schedule for planning and delivery work. Number two, focus. Sprints provide a clear time frame for the team to focus on specific tasks and goals without interruption. Number three, feedback. So frequent reviewers and adaptations based on stakeholders' feedback ensure the product is developed in alignment with user needs. Number four, incremental progress. So the iterative nature of sprints allows for incremental progress, reducing risks and making it easier to manage changes. So by adhering the sprint structure, Scrum and teams can maintain a steady pace development, adapt to changing requirement, and continuously improve their process and product. So this is it for this video, and see you in the future.